Hey guys, what's up? It's God Given here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll show you guys a way to make appealing thumbnails for free in 2018, and if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe because I am on my way to 1000 subscribers, and if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below, or you can DM me on Twitter because I like interacting with you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and let's see if we can hit 50 likes in this video. But other than that, let's get started with the video. So the first thing that you want to do is go to pixel.com and click on web apps. Then you click on launch web app. Then click on create a new image with it 1280 by 720. Then click on transparent, then okay. So let's go ahead and import the background. So there are two famous websites that people love using for backgrounds. So the first one is Sunburst. Make sure it's a 1280 by 720. So you can choose any of these for your background, or you can go with grunge background, because you can see all types of backgrounds there. So you can choose one that looks appealing to you. So let me go with this. Click on save image, save, then go to file, open image. Then what you want to do is click on Ctrl A to select and Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste. So the good thing with this is that you can add blurs to your background. So go ahead and click on filters, and go to Gaussian blur, then let me leave your mine on 50. Okay, so you can also add the brightness. So click on adjustment, brightness and contrast, -10. Press on OK. So I think this looks good to me. So let me go ahead and add that text. Make. So the font that I normally use is a font called American Capital. Then you can change the size. So I will recommend on leaving it around 500. And then I click on OK. So let me go ahead and add text, all the text, then I'll be right back. So guys, let's say that you want to make the font bigger or smaller. So as you can see, you can make it bigger or smaller. So you can just come to layers, then you click on then select it, then click on rasterize layer. So as you can see, click on edit, then free transform. So as you can see, you can make it how you want it to be. You can make it bigger, smaller, it depends on what you want. So let me make mine about there. I think that looks great. Then click on outside of it, then click on yes. Alright, as you can see, it's done. So let's say that we want to import an image. So go ahead and type on YouTube logo. Make sure that it's a PNG. make sure that it's always a PNG. Then save it, the image where you want to save it. File, open image. Control A, select, Control C, copy, and Control V to paste. Same thing, go to edit, free transform. So if you want to make it small, make sure that you click on shift and then you drag it down to the size that you want. Because if you don't hold shift and just drag it down, so you can easily do this. So you see, you can easily mess it up. Right? So let me click on no, then free transform, click on shift and drag it. So let's put it about there. Yes. So let me go ahead and import another one. Open image. Control A, Control C, and Control V. Edit, free transform, shift, and drag it down. Drag it down. So let's go ahead and finish editing all our text. So go and select it and click on layer styles and click on drop shadow. So let's put mine about 100. Then click on outer glow. So let's change the color to black and click on OK. So let me go ahead and add this to all the text, then I'll be right back. Alright guys, let me also go ahead and add some shadow to the YouTube logo. Drop shadow, make it up to 100, outer glow. So guys, after you're done editing and want to save it, go ahead and click on File and Save. Then you name it whatever you want. So let's write Mac and drag the quality all the way up to 100. In format you use PNG and click on OK. Then you choose where you want to save it and click on Save. So as you can see, I think this looks pretty decent to me in using a free software to make a thumbnail. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and see you guys in the next video. Peace.